IGNOU PGDCA MCS-206 Solved Assignment 2023 is a comprehensive study material designed to help students prepare for the PGDCA Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Applications. This assignment covers the MCS-206 module, which introduces students to the concepts of object-oriented programming and the Java programming language. The MCS-206 Solved Assignment 2023 includes detailed solutions to all the questions and exercises in the assignment, along with explanations and examples to help students. It is an essential resource for students seeking to excel in the PGDCA course and build a strong foundation in object-oriented programming and Java programming. The IGNOU PGDCA MCS-206 Solved Assignment 2023 is written in clear and easy to understand language and is well organized, making it easy for students to follow and learn from. It is an invaluable resource for students looking to succeed in their PGDCA studies and build a strong foundation in object-oriented programming and Java programming.